I love cauliflower. It's one of my favorite vegetables.
I love cauliflower too. And I especially love this roasted cauliflower. I'm gonna make a sauce, y'all, and I'm gonna start with about 1/4 cup of olive oil.
And I'm just gonna cut these, and I'm kind of gonna leave them in bigger chunks, Mom.
And in the meantime, y'all, I am de-leafing a little thyme. If you'll take your stem, y'all, and go pull down from the opposite way it grows, the leaves will come off so much easier. So, Jamie,
So, Mama,
that is some beautiful cauliflower.
I've always loved cauliflower and broccoli.
Me too. It's a great veggie. All right, thyme is very tiny anyway, but I'm still gonna mince it so that flavor can burst out of it.
Now, into this cauliflower, Mom, I'm gonna be working with a red pepper, and I'm gonna cut it into strips. I'm just gonna julienne it.
All right, this looks like about 1 teaspoon of thyme, son, so I'm gonna put that into my olive oil. And now I'm gonna need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so I suspect it'll take this whole lemon.
Okay, I've got my peppers in now. I love leeks. We're gonna be working with some leeks today.
I love leeks.
I do too.
Except when they're in the roof, and then I don't like them. Jamie.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sitting here looking at my fingers, and that reminds me. You know, I have so many folks ask me about the thumb ring. You put it on my finger, gosh, probably been 23, 24 years now that I've been wearing it, which sounds insane. Well, the other day I was going through a little chest that I keep my jewelry in, and I ran up on Mom and Daddy's wedding bands.
Oh, no kidding.
Yes. So, look, I added your granddaddy's wedding ring to my thumb. Look, I can see that like it was yesterday on Daddy's finger.
Isn't that nice?
Isn't it a beautiful design to it?
It does.
So I just happened to think about that.
When's that from, 42?
Let's see, no, I was born in 47. I think Mom and Daddy were married in 46. In fact, Jamie, I cannot believe it. Today is their anniversary. It's Mom and Daddy's wedding anniversary.
No kidding.
They would have been married 64 years.
Great day.
Unbelievable. We got some quinky dinks going on in this kitchen today. Now, son, let's finish up our cauliflower. The sauce is gonna need a pinch of salt and then about 1 tablespoon of Dijon. Now, Jamie's just gonna pour this all over our veggies while I get our skewers off the grill.
All right, I've got this kind of tossed up a little bit. Now, Mom, I'm gonna go on our roasting pan with this.
I love, love, love roasted vegetables. And there's almost no vegetable that won't roast up just beautifully.
Now, these are going into our oven, y'all. It's 400 degrees for 35 or 45 minutes.
Okay, 35 to 45 minutes. And they're gonna be divine. And the cauliflower has come out of the oven, and that smells delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and dip me up a little cauliflower and leeks while Jamie's getting his pork chop.
Now, I'm doing this for you, Mom.
Oh, that's mine.
Ladies first.
Oh, thank you, son. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.